Hi, I'm Dan.
I'm Kyle.
And I'm Pia.
And we're your Beyond and Back travel team, here to get you where you need to go as quickly and easily as possible.
Whether you're a new traveler or just new to us, we've packed this video full of tips and tricks to make your travel experience easy and seamless.
Our normal business hours are Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. Of course, if you have a problem while you're on the road, like a flight cancellation or a missed connection, or you just have a last-minute trip to book, please don't hesitate to give us a call, even if it's after hours. We provide all of our corporate clients with 24/7 support.
That brings us to the best way to get a hold of us. We have two main phone numbers, one for vacationers and one for corporate travelers. Our corporate line is the only one that is monitored after hours, so please make sure to have that one handy in case you need to get a hold of us while the office is closed. In a pinch, you'll find this number on every itinerary and every invoice you received from us down here. If you're going to miss your flight, please call us. If you don't cancel your flight and we don't cancel the reservations, there's a good chance you might forfeit the entire value of the ticket.
And the same applies for hotels. If you have a hotel reservation that you're not going to make, please make sure to let us know as soon as possible. We have a much better chance of getting any potential penalties waived the earlier we know.
If you haven't done so already, you'll need to fill out a new traveler profile. You'll want to take a few minutes to collect some important information that you'll need handy before you start. Your name, exactly as it appears on the government ID that you plan on using at the airport. Your global entry or TSA pre-check number. Any car and hotel loyalty program IDs you have, and any airline frequent flyer numbers. Once you have all that, head over to our website and click here to get started. If you would prefer a hotel with kitchen facilities, please let us know here. If you already have a corporate credit card, please give us a call with the number. We don't like to receive credit cards via email. Now that that's out of the way, let's get started on your first trip. Head back to our website and click here to submit your request. It's that easy. Here are a couple of tips. This form is customized for each company. So as you start, please make sure you use your corporate email address. If you'll be working at specific job sites on your trip, you can paste them here, straight out of Excel. We'll use these addresses to find you a hotel as central to where you'll be working as possible. The next step is to let us know where and when you'll be going. If you only need a car and hotel, just select No Air. If there's anything else we should know about this trip, like a preferred airport for example, just let us know here and then click Submit. If you need flights, after we receive your request, we will search for the best options that fit your schedule. You'll receive these options from us in an email that looks like this. The options you receive will usually be one-way flights. So for round trip, make sure you scroll down and select the return flight as well. Once the flights are finalized, you have until the end of the next business day to make any changes. So please make sure to review your confirmation in a timely manner once you receive it. As we wrap up, before you head over to our website to fill out your profile form, you may want to consider signing up for a couple of airline and hotel loyalty programs. If you'll be traveling often, you'll be on your way to upgrade opportunities, better seats on the plane, and free hotel nights in no time. Most importantly, please get your travel requests in early. 1, it gets the company a better rate. 2, it gets you, the traveler, a more preferred availability. And 3, it gives us time to end our day in a timely manner and go have a cocktail.
Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Safe travels!